Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. First, open the box. Here we can find the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs. This is the USB Type-C cable, and inside of this paper box we can find the SIM eject tool, some paperwork, the quick start guide, anti-guide, and the warranty card, and the just protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.